Are you tired of juggling spreadsheets while your email lists grow wild, your open rates flatline, and competitors eat your lunch? The email marketing automation pack crushes the chaos with dynamic list segmentation using SQL like filters, drip campaigns powered by behavioral triggers, real time A B testing for subject lines and CTAs, and a deliverability health score that audits SPF, DKIM, DMARC in seconds. Whether you're a solo email marketer burning midnight oil, a growth lead drowning in data, or a CRM specialist screaming into the void, this is your escape hatch. Automate the boring stuff, optimize the messy bits, and convert like a beast. Spoiler, your competitors won't see it coming. Here's what's inside the email marketing automation pack. Data prep with smart deduplication and enrichment pipelines. Segmentation modules for RFM scoring and engagement heat maps. Drip campaign builders with exit intent triggers and multi-channel follow-ups. A/B testing dashboards that auto-scale winner thresholds. Deliverability tools with ISP reputation tracking and content spam score analyzers. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your unfair advantage. Installing the email marketing automation pack takes one command. Run npx quanta skills add email-marketing-pack. That's it. The entire workflow downloads instantly. Segmentation logic, drip templates, testing frameworks, and deliverability audits. No config hell. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now groks SQL segmentation queries, optimizes send times, and flags spammy phrases before you hit send. You'll wonder how you ever survived without it, like using a stone knife to carve a turkey. Welcome to the future. Now go break some conversion records.